Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I'm analyzing this stock Eicher Motors. See, if you'll watch this stock closely, you will find out this stock has made head and shoulder kind of a pattern in 1 hourly time frame. Okay, and right now it is making this sort of a pattern again here. Okay, it is making this sort of a head and shoulder pattern again at this place. Okay, what can happen tomorrow if this stock tomorrow gives a breakdown? Okay, below this level, any 1 hour candle closes below this level, then you can go short in this stock. Okay, you can go short in this stock, and your first target will be 2386, second target 2355, third target 2307, because I guess this stock may fall further more towards the downside. Okay, if it will give a breakdown. But what if this stock reverses? But let the stock close above this level of 3430. Okay, then only consider buying this stock for the target of 2463. But let me be precise, tomorrow if this stock opens at any level, you should trade after the first hour. Okay, let Nifty trade for the first hour. Let this stock go towards any given level in the first hour, then only trade this stock tomorrow. Why I'm telling you this? Because see, there was a M sort of a pattern occurring in this stock, and it has given a full reversal. Okay, full reversal, and it has given the full target of this level. Okay, and if sellers want to short this stock furthermore, okay, then they will short below this level only. Okay, below 2390 level only they will try to short this stock. Okay, but buyers will come up and they will find support around 2385 86. Okay, so they may actually start to buy at this level. So this stock can be very tricky for tomorrow's trading session. Let it make another sort of a pattern. Okay, let it come here, let it trade till here like this. Okay, then if it will give a breakdown, it will be a very good sort of a short trade. Okay, or if it gives a breakout, comes here, retests this, then it moves towards the upside, then you can consider buying this stock for further upside targets. Okay, so this is my short analysis for Eicher Motors. If you want to learn how I made this analysis, you can contact me on Telegram. Thank you for watching.